Hello and welcome back to Ionic Apps for WooCommerce. Now that we know how to create Ionic applications, we can create new applications using different templates. Each application has a number of files and folders inside the application folder. But the one and the most important folder that we are concerned in this course is the www folder. Let's just go ahead and open this application folder in Visual Studio Code. All you have to do is right-click on the folder and click on Open with Code. This will open the application folder in Visual Studio Code. That will be the IDE that we are going to use in this course. So now we have the application folder opened inside Visual Studio Code. Here are a number of files that we are not much concerned about right now, but there is a very important folder that we'll be concerned about a lot in this course, and it is the www folder. This folder contains all the files that are responsible for our Ionic application to work. Since we create Ionic applications using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, this folder contains all those files. Just like a website, this folder contains an index.html file, which is the main file that gets loaded when your application is opened. So let's open and have a look at our index.html file. Just like a normal web page, this file also has a few references to CSS files. This also has a number of script tags that are referencing to various JavaScript files, and it also has a body tag. It also references to two files inside the JS folder called app.js and controllers.js. So let's have a look at them. So this is our app.js file. This is the starting point of our application. Since Ionic apps use AngularJS, app.js is the file that contains Angular module and its configuration that is responsible for application to work. All the controllers of our application are written inside our controller.js file. The CSS styles are stored inside CSS folder, and if there are any images, they are stored inside the img folder. All the templates or the partial HTML files that are used when they are required are stored inside the templates folder. Do not get confused, we will have a look how to create and use these templates as we move on. But for now, the most important thing to remember is that each project contains an index.html file which is loaded every time your application is run, and your index.html file requires JavaScript files, app.js and controllers.js. In the next video, we will have a look at the WooCommerce API, and then we'll proceed with development of our application.